Morning, Ben.
Good morning, Lane.
How's it going today?
Good. What are we going to do today?
Yeah, so I'm thinking we're going to try to refab some of my wife's old bacon cooking sheets here, cleaning up all the old residue and grease that's left on it.
Fantastic. When we've got it clean, what do you think we should do next?
Yeah, it only seems right. We should cook something on it. We should, prove it out.
What do you think?
Bacon?
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, everyone likes bacon.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, Lane. What do you think?
Yeah, cooked.
Cooked? How's it taste?
A little fatty, but pretty good.
It's not so bad.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Nice work.
Every day needs to be like this.